Hi, today is February 20th. 20th. Today is February 20th, and we're going out. We're gonna watch some show, and after we watch the show, then we're going to Italian restaurant to eat dinner. So I'll just do a small vlog today kasi kasama ko si husband. Alam niyo naman, pag kasama ko si husband, medyo stricto yun pag nagbablog. Ayaw talaga niya na ako ay magbablog. Na-annoyed siya, kaya pa-secret lang ako mag-vlog. So, see you! Cannot see. What is that? What is this? Red one. This is the beer. For the beer. So this is the menu. That is.
It's a meat and cheese plate.
It's a what?
Meat and cheese plate.
Meat and cheese plate.
They're calling it antipasto.
Antipasta.
It ain't looking like the antipasto that I've had.
Yeah, meat and cheese plate.
Antipasto that I've had is like a pasta style salad.
It's just the starter, huh?
Yeah.
That's my order. That one for magagalit siya.
Full admission, if you paid more, I guess, we got given our tickets, so, then I think there's another line up there.
There's another one.
Yeah, so if it's